Which one of the following tool angle is provided to avoid rubbing on the body of the tool with the workpiece? C. Clearance angle. The negative rake angle is generally proved on the tool made of. The negative rake angle is generally provided on the tool made of tungsten carbide. Which one of the following is used only the finish and the maintain correct form of thread? Thread chaser. The chip breaker on the lathe tool is initially when turning ductile material and to break the chips. A tool which is used to enlarge a previously drilled hole is known as boring tool. What effective change will occur to the tool geometry if the cutting tool is set below the center height of the lathe? What effect change will occur to the tool geometry if the cutting tool is set below the center height of the lathe? Increase front clearance angle. Insert HSS tool bit are more useful for operation. Inserted high speed steel tool bit are more useful for operation. All of the above. Boring, internal threading, external threading. Which one of the following material is used for manufacturing central drill? High speed steel. Which among the following statement is respected of chaser is correct? Cutting threads by chaser is give better finish. Which among the following statement is respected of the lathe cutting tool is correct? The property of tool chipping off with a vibration is more for cemented carbide tool than that of a high-speed steel tool. In the parting of tool, which angle will help the tool to penetrate into the work without rubbing the side face? Back clearance angle. Which among the following statement is respected of brake chip is correct? All of the above. Chip breaker are initially for breaking the long continuous chip into the small pieces. Chip breaker are necessary to break the chips to protect the finished work surface. Chip breaker are provided to curl and break the chips. Helix angle is founded on threaded workpiece. The width of the tool used to cut a 10 mm pitch square thread is 5 mm. The included angle of the countersink portion of a central D of type B used for protecting the center hole is 120 degree. Which one of the following factor will not influence the selection of the cutting speed? Diameter of the workpiece. Which one of the following angle of rough turning tool depend upon the feed rate chosen? Which one of the following angle of rough turning tool depend upon the feed rate chosen? Side clearance angle. The size of a central deal is selected on the basis of the diameter of the workpiece. Tapes are surface threaded to improve the wear resistance property. Chip breaker are meant to break continuous long chip. Which one of the following type of chip breaker is founded on the throwaway inserted with the hold? A carbide bit is screwed and held on the top face of the bit. To enable a nut to fit properly on the bolt of square thread, which the width of the internal square thread tool should be slightly more than a half pitch. The tip of cemented carbide tool is joined on the shank by brazing. Which one of the following material for lathe cutting tool can be forged to any desired shape? High carbon steel. When rough turning a workpiece with a carbide tool, long curl chip are formed. Which one of the following is the right way to getting rid of this kind of chip? Provide chip breaker on the tool. A brass shaft is to be turned to the surface roughness of RA 0.8. Which cutting speed? Which one of the following cutting tool material is most suitable? Cemented carbide. Which one of the following statement is true with the reference to the tool life? The time between two successive regrinds. A carbide tipped tool with a blue mark is used on a lathe. Which one of the following material can be machined with this tool? Steel. Hand chaser are used for rectifying thread cut on the steel rod which is distorted.